Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be solving a new problem, which is a GFG medium problem, stack permutation. So here, basically, what the problem statement is given that you are given a two array with a unique elements, and you have also been given the size of the length that is will be the array, and you have to check if the array is a stack permutation of another array or not. And if there is a stack permutation, then you have to return 1, else you have to return 0. Okay, so first we'll understand this problem with the example. Okay, basically three inputs will be given. That first one will be the size of the array, second one will be the input array, and uh, third one will be the output array. So what we have to do in this, we have to check like if the my array 1 is some kind of a stack permutation with the array 2. For example, we are creating like a stack, and we are pushing from array 1, we are pushing 1, then we are pushing 2. So 2 will be at the top, then we are popping out 2 and printing it. So it will be like a similar to that of the b that we are getting. Then again in the stack we have 1, so again 1 also will push it and print. Okay, so 2 1 got printed, and still array have a 3 in it that has not been yet pushed into the stack. So again at the last we'll be pushing 3 to the stack, and then finally from the stack we'll push out and print it the 3. Okay, so like this you have seen like doing some kind of a push and pop operation with the array 1, we are getting output with similar to that of the array 2. So yes, this is a stack permutation, so we'll be putting the output as 1. Okay, and if you will moving to the second example, like here also the array size is given as a 3, and 1 2 and 3 elements are there. Okay, so how we can do this, like 3 is there. Okay, so 3 is there and 3 is at the end of this array. So we'll basically just push this first. Okay, push all the elements first, like a 1 2 3, we'll push it into the stack. So 3 will be at the top, so we'll pop it out and print it. 3 got printed. Next time if we will push, 2 will get pushed. Okay, out of the stack, not 1. And here you can see it's opposite. Okay, so 2 will next element after the 3 will be 2, so 2 element should be get printed. So it's not like this operate, it's not working like that, so it's coming like a output 0. That is not a possible. Okay, so with the help of example we can see. Now moving to the problem statement, how we'll be doing, like since it's a stack permutation, so first we'll be creating a stack. Okay, stack permutation. Okay, and we'll name it as a stack. It's to the name of, let's see, okay, stack and stack, and then we'll be running a loop from uh, 0 till the end of this array 1 for getting the elements of the array 1. Okay, now I will be keeping a pointer as a for the input array. Okay, now input array I will be taking like first array that will be given as input, and we're doing some operation in this input array. We will get, if we are getting similar to that of a op output array, then it's a stack permutation, else it's not a stack permutation. So we'll keep a pointer j, that will be a pointer for the output array. Okay, then we will be traversing through this array first. Okay, input array, and then we'll be checking like if my if not, while I'll be checking again and again. Okay, so first we have to push. Okay, now push the element, push the first element onto the stack. Okay, so push input array of I. Okay, this will be pushed into the stack, and then we'll be checking while my uh, while my st dot peak. Okay, that is the first element, if it's equal to op of j. Okay, if it's equal, then we'll do some operation. If it's not equal, If it's not equal, then we'll continue pushing the element. Okay, so from here only it will continue, no more operation over here. And if it is equal, then we will be just popping out the stack element, popping out the stack element. So if we have found equal, and we'll continue with checking the next element of the output array. So j will be incremented over here, and this matched element will be removed from the stack, and this will continue its operation. At the end, if my stack is empty, and this all the elements have been checked, if my stack is empty, that means if my stack is empty, right? If my stack is empty, that means it's a stack permutation, and we are going to return 1 for that. And else, if it's not returning 1, so that means it's not a stack permutation, and then we have to return 0. Then we have to return 0 for that. And here any more operation. Okay, everything is correct. Now I'll run and check this one out. So runtime error, why is it so? Okay, thread exception. Okay, I is equal to 0 should less than I plus plus. Okay, st dot push I, if s dot peak is equal to op dot okay, I'm not checking for the null. Okay, and my stack should not be null, and not st dot is empty. If my stack is not empty, if my stack is not empty, then only it will proceed with this popping out element. Okay, yeah. So the problem that was occurring, like I was not checking for if my stack is empty, and it was going for a pop element. So it should first check it. If it's not empty, then only it should go for a pop. Okay, so yeah, running for all the test cases. Okay. Got it. Okay, yeah, all the test cases got passed. So this is the optimized solution for this. I'm running this loop for order of n times, and we are checking the each element, and the space complexity also you can tell it's like a order of n, because we are using a stack, and it can be at more it will be of almost the length of the size of the input array. And time complexity, I'm traversing like order of n. I'm traversing with a one loop, and while operation is also there. So yeah, stack one will also be there. Okay, so this was the problem, stack permutation. So hope you're getting it. If you have any doubt, any other way of solving this problem, do put it in the comment section. Till then, thank you.